partnered with your host agency, you've signed a contract with your host agency, and you've never done anything to actually formalize your business, that's going to be step one in establishing credibility internally, like with other suppliers within the city, within the government, like just everywhere in terms of actually forming a business. And what that really means is that you gotta like you gotta put your stake in the ground, and you gotta say, my name is X, whatever the name of your business is. You've got to, if you want to become a LLC, or if you want to be a sole proprietorship, you need to actually form. You need to get a business account. You need to do all the things that make you a legitimate business. These are step one activities that you want to do when it comes to actually establishing credibility. At the time of us doing this challenge, next month, all of the email host providers are going to block sending email in mass if you are using your business with a Gmail or an at Yahoo. So what that means is, like, if your business is Sunday's Travel at Gmail, and you want to send an email to all of your emails, they're going to block your traffic, because again, they don't consider you to be a legitimate business sending bulk email to your business customers. This is going to be a major blow to a lot of travel advisors who have not actually got a business email, and they're sending out email marketing campaigns. Let that not be you.